Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be making beetroot powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these beets, which apparently you cannot see so well because it is dark in here. There you go, the beets. So I'm going to use a blender to make beet juice. Then the pulp is what I'm going to dry, and so I'll just put all of it in there and I'll use the tamper. Okay, I'll put them in there. Let's see. Did it look bright enough? But I'll just put them in there. I think that's putting too much, but I'll use the tamper and push it down as it breaks down into paste almost. And I'll show you. Hi guys, I've now blended the beets. Apparently you cannot see how it looks. But anyway, I'll just put it in a strainer here. I just come from making carrot juice the same way as I made the beets, since I don't have a juicer. So this is how you do it. Okay, I've just put it in the strainer. So I'll just take this and just push it down like that till all the juice is out. If you have a cheesecloth, this would work well, but it will make the cheesecloth red or beetrooty. I love the red, so I'll just sieve this until I feel it has totally dried, and then when it moves as much juice as possible, then I'll dry the pulp and put it in the dehydrator, and then after it's totally dry, I'm going to put it in the blender and blend it even more so it can become beetroot flour or beetroot powder. Okay guys, let me just keep doing this and I'll show you. Okay, now I've dried the beets. Just show you. Oh, it's horrible. Yeah. Let me just put them in the tray and then you see them. Okay, that's the beet pulp. So I'm just going to smoosh it down. Actually, I think I'm just going to use my hands. You just have to make sure it doesn't touch. It doesn't touch the carrot, otherwise the carrot will turn out to be beety. That one is going to be beety. Oh my god, the color here is okay. That does not help as well. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going to smoosh it out and then you see what happens. Okay, I've just smooshed it out. I know the lighting is not so good, but that's going to dry. If I had two Teflon sheets, I'll just put them separately to make it dry faster, but since I only have this one, so this is what I'm working with. So I dry them and into powder. I'll get carrot flour or powder and beet flour or powder, whatever you like to call it. So that's how it is. Just dry it. I think it's going to dry almost a day or so. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, now the beets have dried. They look quite dark actually, but that's how they look. They're nice and crunchy as you can hear. So now all I'm going to do, I'm going to just put them in the blender and blitz it away. Make sure your blender is dry, or if you're using a grinder, that's perfect. Look, it looks so nice. Nice and red. The color of the beets will differ according to what color of the beets you have. Mine were quite dark red. It's not very bright red, so that's why it looks like that. So yeah, so that's it guys. That is the powder. It has come out nice and fine. You have to make sure that you touch the powder to make sure it has completely blended. And sometimes I normally remove the sides of the blender because ends up being quite an amount. Yeah, that's it guys, the powder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and there you go, beet powder. Bye.